Love it or hate it, CyberTruck really creates a new perspective of a car design. Now yesterday I happened to find this awesome CSS drawing from Lynn Fisher. The coolest thing about this drawing is she only used a single div to create the whole CyberTruck. So in this video, we're going to look at her code and see how she did it. Let's check it out. Before we begin, let's recap about CSS background image. This property allows you to set a background image for any element, but the key ability is you can add multiple images at the same time. Here is the example. I'm going to set these two images as background, separated by a comma. And here is the result. Now we can control each background position and size the same way using comma. Also set no repeat to prevent smaller image from being repeated. Now back to the CyberTruck. This drawing is all about using CSS background image. If you look at the CSS, you will see it's a neatly stacked of a linear and radial gradient. But how can a simple gradient create a shape like that? Let's take a look one at a time. Here's the gradient responsible for the roof. Let me replace the transparent part with red color and remove the angle. Now you will see it's just a simple gradient from black to gray and red. Let's add them back again slowly. The black part of the gradient will be merged with the background, while transparent part will create space for other gradients. You can use background size and position properties to scale and place it at the right location. So the window frame structure you see here is actually consists of 4 linear gradients. For the circle shape like the wheel, it's still the same concept except we are mixing radial gradient with the linear. Here's what it looks like if we break it down. I make a time-lapse version of how the truck was created from scratch. Let's check it out. The headlight part is a bit special. She creates pseudo-elements and uses box shadow to create light ray and shining area. We can't include the box shadow into the same div with the truck body because the light will shine from the entire truck instead of the headlight. So technically this drawing has 3 divs, not 1. And that's all for this video. You can find the link to this pen at the description box below. Thanks to Lynn for creating this awesome art. I also put a link to her Twitter account in case you want to follow her. Thanks for watching guys. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for dev tips and tutorials. Bye!